Have you ever wondered, why do the rich keep getting richer while you're still trying to catch up? It's not luck. It's not just hard work. It's a hidden code, a set of money rules that schools never taught us. But the wealthy have been quietly using it for generations. And let's be real. If it were just about working hard, wouldn't you already be rich by now? Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful secrets the rich don't want you to know. Secrets that can help you escape the rat race and start building wealth on your own terms. And later, I'll show you the one strategy they use to grow wealth, even during recessions. Let's decode the system. Are you stuck in the cycle of trading time for money, but never getting ahead? Segment 1. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. Most people trade time for money, go to work, get paid, start over again tomorrow. But time is limited, and so is your energy. If your income depends on how many hours you work, you're in a trap. The rich don't play that game. They invest in income-producing assets, things that make money without needing them to show up. We're talking real estate, dividend stocks, licensing deals, digital businesses, stuff that earns while they sleep. Robert Kiyosaki says, the rich buy assets. The poor only have expenses. And he's right. According to Fidelity, millionaires typically have at least 3 to 5 streams of income. That means while you're working one job, they have money coming in from 5 directions. So how do you start? Start small. Buy 1 share, create 1 product, rent 1 space. You don't have to be rich to start, but you do have to start to become rich. Is debt holding you back? Or could it be the key to building wealth faster? Segment 2. They use debt as a weapon. The rich use debt like a tool. The poor use it like a drug. Most people fear debt because they only know one kind. It's bad debt. Credit card debt, car loans, payday advances, money that leaves your pocket every single month with nothing to show for it. But the rich? They use good debt, money borrowed to create more money. Let's say you take a $200,000 loan to buy a duplex. You live in one unit and rent out the other. The rent covers the mortgage and even gives you cash flow. Now your tenant is paying down your asset. You've leveraged someone else's money to build wealth. That's how the rich use banks, as silent partners. The rule is simple. If debt costs you money, it's bad. If it makes you money, it's smart. Did you know? According to the US Census Bureau, the average millionaire has over $1.2 million in debt. Not because they're reckless, because they understand leverage. Debt isn't the problem, but a lack of financial education is. What if the biggest wealth leak in your life is how you're taxed? Segment 3. Taxes are a game. The tax system is a game, and the rich are winning because they know the rules. They don't pay fewer taxes by cheating. They do it by planning. The rich structure their income to take advantage of tax laws that reward business ownership, investing, and real estate. They use deductions, depreciation, capital gains, and they do it legally. Warren Buffett says, "I pay less in taxes than my secretary." That's because investment income is taxed lower than earned income. If you get paid through a paycheck, you're getting hit with the highest tax rate. But if you own assets that generate cash flow, you pay less, sometimes way less. In 2022, ProPublica reported that some US billionaires paid effective tax rates under 10%. Meanwhile, the average middle-class American paid closer to 22%. The tax code is built to reward creators, investors, and entrepreneurs, not employees. If you want to keep more of your money, you need to change how you earn it. Is your money sitting idle while inflation quietly robs you? Segment 4. The rich don't save, they multiply. The rich don't park their money in savings accounts. They put it to work. Traditional advice says, save your money. But in today's world, saving is losing. Let's break it down. Here's a stat that should shake you. According to CNBC, 63% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, even some earning over $100,000 a year. That's not a money problem. That's a strategy problem. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how you use it. T. Harv Eker once said, "Rich people play the money game to win. Poor people play the money game to not lose." Think about that. If your entire financial life is built on avoiding risk, you'll never build wealth. Because the rich don't wait for security. They create systems that generate freedom. And they start with knowledge. Just like you are, right now. Inflation right now is around 3 to 4% interest annually. Savings accounts at most banks offer less than 1% interest. That means your money is shrinking in value just by sitting still. Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. The rich add compounding interest daily. They invest in the market. They buy appreciating assets. They grow money, not just protect it. If you invest $10,000 in an index fund earning 10% annually, you'll have over $67,000 in 20 years. That's the power of compound growth. Meanwhile, $10,000 in a savings account might grow to only $10,300. You do the math. Saving is for security. Investing is for wealth. What's the one habit that separates wealthy minds from struggling ones? Segment 5. Financial education is their edge. The rich never stop learning about money because money is a skill, and skills can be sharpened. Most people finish school and stop learning. But the wealthy? They keep feeding their minds with books, podcasts, mentors, courses. They know that every new concept could unlock their next level. Jim Rohn says, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." According to Tom Corley's Rich Habits study, 88% of wealthy individuals read at least 30 minutes a day. And they're not reading gossip or news. They're reading about strategy, mindset, markets, leadership, and money. Want to join them? Start with one book, one podcast, one video like this one from Money Opulence. Your knowledge compounds, just like money. Now that you know how the wealthy truly build their empires, they don't work harder. They work smarter. They don't fear debt. They leverage it. They don't get taxed to death. They build tax-optimized wealth. They don't save. They invest. And above all, they never stop learning. You're going to need to know this next move that turns average income into generational wealth. Because if you don't know this secret, you will work the next 30 years in survival mode. While others get rich on autopilot, because they learned one secret move you didn't. Here's the secret to unlock the one move that could change everything for your future wealth in my next video. Don't miss this. See you in the next video.